Now let's take a look at the modern classification system, which is the 3-domain 6-kingdom system. 3 domains we have are bacteria, archaea, as well as eukarya. Under the domain bacteria, we have 1 kingdom, and that is eubacteria. Under archaea, we have 1 kingdom, that is the archaebacteria kingdom. Under eukarya, we have 4 kingdoms. They are protista, or protists, and we also have fungi, as well as plants and animals. All bacteria and archaebacteria are unicellular as well as most protists. Fungi are mostly multicellular. For cell wall of eubacteria, it's peptidoglycan, but archaebacteria have a very different cell wall. Some protists have cell walls, and all fungi have cell wall as well, but only plant cells have cellulose cell wall. Finally, some protists and all plants have chloroplast. The archaebacteria, they like to live in extreme conditions with very high temperatures or high salinity. Now let's take a look at protists and fungi. Protists, some of them are plant-like, while some of them are animal-like. Examples of protists include amoeba, slime molds, as well as algae. Fungi, on the other hand, their bodies are made of hyphae, and they use spores for reproduction. Some of them carry out saprophytic nutrition, meaning that they feed on dead organic matter, while some of them carry out parasitic nutrition, which means that they live on living organisms and digest their bodies to have nutrients.